Guys, so we're living in an era where AI is booming right now. It's mind blowing what these AI tools can do. And if you know about AI, then you know of AI such as ChatGPT, Gemini, Microsoft Copilot, Grok, Bard, and the list goes on. And what I'm about to share with you in this video, guys, is a whole nother level. We're talking about AI roleplay, custom AI. And what you're looking on here on my screen is AI chatbots that are custom designed with a specific persona. And guys, it is incredible. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through this incredible AI platform here by the name of Feelin that can allow you to create your own custom AI chatbot with its own persona, and you can go ahead and you can chat with this, you can do whatever you want with this AI. Guys, this is incredible stuff. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna walk you through the platform, how you can sign up, how you can use it. So we're gonna explore the platform so you can see what's there. And on top of that, I'm gonna show you how to create your own custom AI chatbot. So if this sounds fascinating to you, let's jump right in. So you want to head over, guys, to Feelin.ai. Once you type in Feelin.ai, guys, you'll be taken over to this website here, and you can easily sign up with your Gmail account, right? So you can simply click towards the lower left hand side and you'll see sign in. You'll have the option to sign in with a Discord, or in my case, I'm going to quickly use a Gmail account and sign right in. Now, once you're signed in, you will have this quick pop-up here that says that you can quickly create. But for right now, I'm going to just simply cancel out of this so that we can explore the platform a bit more. Now, so once you're inside, guys, what you have here immediately on the left-hand side, you have different options here, right? You have your home, you have your recent chats. You also have other things such as to basically create a character as well. You have your wallet, so you can get some points here or some coins, right? As you can see, I currently have 5,100 coins, and you can always go ahead and you can purchase more coins. As you can see, they have different plans here that gives you a certain amount, right? So you have that, or you can just quickly get some credits here if you just want credits on the go. So you have two options. You have two plans, really. You have the plus and the pro plan, and it shows you how much, let's say, credits you get per month. Or you can just simply do like a quick top up and buy certain credit if you so desire. It's really up to you, whichever option you choose, right? And here you also have your profile, so you can quickly come here. What happens is that once you start, you get a name, but you can always click on it to edit it and change the name. So I'm going to change my name right here to, for example, Drew, as an example. And yeah, you basically can go ahead and start creating characters, personas, invite people. You can see block users and all that good stuff, right? So that's it. Then you have your notifications where you will see system notifications, comments, replies, and all this good stuff here. Right now, let's go back to the home section so that we can see some of those really incredible chatbots that they have here. So here you can see one here is this is a tech geek, and once you hover over any person or any chat, you can quickly click on them to start chatting with them, right? As you can see, it says start chat. You click on it and you'll basically take right into where you can start chat with this specific character, right? What I really like is that these characters have their own details about themselves, so you can always go ahead and start chat with them. If you want to know about a specific character, what are their traits, you can always go ahead and click on the user persona on the right hand side, and you can see that it shows you what this persona is about, right? And they show other things such as they show the model here and so forth, right? But this is a simple, easy to use, straightforward chat, right? You can also use text to communicate with it, or even voice, right? So that's very easy to do. Now let's jump back to the home page here so I can show you a bit more. So what's here, guys, is that you have the trending ones here, and you have a ton of different personas or a ton of different characters that you can just basically chat with, right? Then you have the recent ones, which are the new ones that are recently created. Then you have recommended ones to you, so this will start to recommend to you based on the type of character that you start to chat with or start to play with, so you will see those. And below that you have different, let's say, categories, right? So if you're looking for something in action, if you're looking for something in romantic, whatever it might be, you will be able to find those different characters, right? And guess what? The type of characters that you can find and chat with or create is, let's say, no filter. Let's put it like that. You can create a character for basically anything you want. It's endless. It's crazy. It's mind blowing, guys. So just keep that in mind. I hope you can read between the lines because it's simply incredible, right? It's simply incredible what you can find here. Now on the upper right hand side, you have basically this gear here, which basically your settings. So you can come here, you can change your language and so forth. Not too much there. If you click on it, you just have English and auto and different, look like Chinese there and as well. And you can always play around with the font size and so forth. You can always come here, delete your profile when you no longer need it and so forth. So very easy to use system as well. And here you can go in and you can change the orientation. So it's really up to you if you want to see females only, both, or whatever. It's really up to you. And yeah, so that's about what the platform is. It's simple, it's very easy to use. And now let's get right into how we can create our own character. So to create your own character, guys, you simply want to click on the create character on the left hand side, and here you have the option to choose if you want to make it public or private. In this case, we're going to make it a public one so that people can also use it. You can choose if you want to make that male or female. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and choose, for example, male, and you can choose if you want the character to have to be unlimited, right? So you can go ahead and you can choose that. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. You can use AI to write or to create a character for you, or you can go to the advanced option, which you will create this by yourself, or you can just simply import it. If you have a character already created, you can import that character as well. Now, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to use the power of AI to create something for me. So I'm going to simply go ahead and click on AI writer. Now, you may be wondering, what am I going to type here? To be honest, I have no clue. And that's why I'm going to use the power of AI to write something for me. But to take mine to a whole new level, I'm going to head over to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to create something for me. So what do we need? We need to put a description of what kind of character do we want. And I'm going to use ChatGPT to come up with something for me. So in my case right now, I need an investment expert. So let me go ahead and come up with something to ask ChatGPT to create a character for me. So guys, I've asked ChatGPT, create a male investment expert who is very experienced in crypto, real estate, stocks, passive income, and much more. I will use this description to create a character on Feelin.ai. So I'm going to hit enter here and ask ChatGPT to come up with a description for me. Now, as you can see, ChatGPT is coming up with the description here. And guess what? What ChatGPT is writing here for me is basically if I'm going to create the character, let's say manually. So if I go back to fill in AI, if I go back, this information I could literally fill in if I choose advanced. So here you can see that it gives me all of this information and I could easily fill this here. But I don't want to go through this route, guys. I want to go through the route of using the AI to fill in the information. So what I want is just a description. So instead of giving me this, I'm going to ask ChatGPT. So instead of giving me all of this information, guys, I've asked ChatGPT to give me the prompt to create this character. And what it should do is just write this in a description for me of that specific character. And as you can see, it's currently pumping out the description for this character. I love it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply copy this description here of the prompt that ChatGPT has given to me, head over back to Feelin.ai, put in this description and simply click and generate. And as you can see here, guys, once I click generate, it's going to generate the character for me. So all I have to do is sit back and wait. But what's happening here is this information that ChatGPT given me before. It is also very useful because what this AI is going to do is just try to create the same character with these details, but I might need to still ask for some information or take some information from this the fill in, because once the character is generated, I will need to fill in some key areas here and there. So as you can see here, the character is finished generated. I will need an image and I will touch into that a bit more. So you can see that my character is named Lex Stone or Alexander Stone. That's really nice, right? It's a male character. I have a summary of my character as well, but I don't have a description of my character, and that's absolutely fine because I can ask ChatGPT afterwards to create the description of this specific character for me. But I really like what it done so far. Give me the name, give me the summary of my character, and I now need a description. Here is the character profile. He's 6'1", and it has all the information about my specific character here. Scroll down, it has a scene. It also have sample dialogues that it has generated for me, and so much more. User persona. I can always go ahead and I can create this as well. So let's get in these additional information here so that we can create our character. So let's start by coming up with an image. You can easily get an image by having this AI tool generate an image for your persona, or you can use a particular image. If you have your own image, you can upload it, and that's perfectly fine. But I want to generate something. As I said, this is going to be strictly AI. So if I click here, I can just upload the image here. As you can see, you can upload the image or use AI to generate it. So all you have to do is just choose AI to generate it and click on generate, and the AI is going to think about all the details that it was given and create an image of that character. It's going to make up something, and if we like it, we will choose it. And yeah, let's continue. So let's see. Let's just keep back and wait for the sketch to complete, guys. It says my masterpiece is almost ready. I'm very curious what this investment expert is going to look like. And here are the image generating, guys. How cool is that? It's actually really, really cool, right? So which one do we like? I think we like, I will go for this one, guys. I'll go for this one. I really like this one. I think it's pretty cool. We can work with this one. So let's say we choose this character here. We can go ahead and click on next. And what it's going to do is going to also allow us to choose the character. So I'm going to click here, and this is what we want to use. So we can have it, or if we can even zoom in. Let's see if we want. Do we want to zoom in? How does it look if we do this? No, I think we basically have it. I think like this is good, guys. I think like this is good. Like this is good. I think we can work with that. So we go, you just need to position how you want it, and basically once you're satisfied, you click and save, and that's gonna make the avatar. Let's say so this is the picture and this is the avatar. Now, as we said, we need to have a description. So let's head over back to ChatGPT and say that we need a description. So did we receive any description? We only have a background. I'm not sure if we did get that background here, but let me see, because we could use that as this background as it. So let me scroll down. Yeah, I think we basically can use the background as the description. I think that works well. So we will use that background information here as it. And for the summary is pretty much straightforward, I must say. Yeah, I think we're pretty much fine with that, to be honest. We're pretty much fine. So that looks good, guys. So I think right here we have all the information that we have. The persona, user persona. Let me see if they gave me, if ChatGPT gave us any user persona here. Personality. Yep. Let's do that. We have the personality. Head over back to ChatGPT. Pump in the personality right there, and there we have it. Really cool, right? So now we can go down, guys, and we just need to go ahead and click and create the character, and that's it, guys. That's how easy it is to create your character. Now let's just sit back and wait for it to take all the information that we gave it and create this incredible character for us. And that's why I said that AI is on a whole new level right now, guys, because you have those different AI chats out there, such as, Perplexity, you have Claude, you have Gemini, you have ChatSonic, you have Jasper, you have ChatGPT, Grok, you have all of those things, but they don't have any personality. But with this, you can literally create your own chat with a own personality, and it's mind-blowing. You can even create your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your grandma, whatever, your own personal genie, whoever you want to create. You can even go ahead and create it. You can even create a therapist, whatever you want. You can use the power of AI to create this, and on top of that, you don't even have to come up with those traits yourself. You can use, for example, ChatGPT. I use ChatGPT to create it for me. I just put in what I would like and it just pump out something. You can always tweak this if you so desire as well. And then you can go back and create. So as you can see here, guys, I have created it. And guess what? I can always come here and click on start chat. And guess what? I have my character here. So I can simple ask whatever I want. I can say, hi, Alex. I can just simple jump over to it and I can just say, Alex, what are the best stocks to invest in 2025? And I just hit enter. And guess what, guys? My new chat will start to communicate with me. It's mind blowing, guys, what this can do. It's really, really, really mind blowing, right? So, guys, this is how you can easily go ahead and create your own chatbot, right? It's mind blowing, guys. You can start using this to create any character you so desire, and you can start to chat with your own persona. And if I go back, guys, as you can see that my chat that I created, it will start to show up. So it's public, guys. It's public, so people will be able to use it. They will be able to come here and they can find those different chat as well, because I'll make it public. And by creating this new character, guys, anyone will be able to basically find this chat and basically start to use it if they so desire. It's incredible what it can do. So in order to find those characters as well, guys, you can simply go to your profile. So you can go to your profile and you will see that you have it, and you can see that this character is public. You can always go back to it and change whatever information you want to change about the character, the persona. Just simply go ahead and edit it, and you can just make whatever changes you need to make to it for whatever purpose. But that's it, guys. It's really incredible what you can do with it. So if you want to learn more about this, guys, let me know in the comments below. Go ahead and check out Feelin.ai. You can find the link within the description of this video as well. It's incredible. As I said, you can easily sign up and register with your Gmail account if you so desire. And guess what? You can always go ahead and get some credits here. It's dirt cheap, guys. You can easily get 300 credits for $1. You can get 1,000 credits for $5, and you can just do whatever you want, right? So it's incredible. So if you want to learn more about how to use it, let me know in the comments below as well, and I'll be more than happy to create more videos showing you how to use Feelin.ai. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.